Morning trade here now. We look at names that are reporting after the bell. Snowflake in our sights. And for that preview, Alex Coffey, co-host of Next Gen Investing, is joining me. What are some of the expectations? Snowflake was so loved, right? Wasn't that the one that Warren Buffett was even in on the IPO?
Yeah, this is an interesting one. It's got ties to AI platforms like ChatGPT and Claude, and that's seen as something that could boost the usage of the platform, which inherently would be good for its continued growth trajectory. While the growth rate has slowed as of the last several quarters, it's still expected to grow on the revenue front at about 22% year over year, which is a healthy clip. You can see the performance of the stock as it's working back towards the highs of the year, weathering that tariff tantrum volatility quite nicely. Revenue looking for around a 1 billion number for that revenue print. Looking for total customers also in that 11,000 range, and then total customers with trailing 12-month spend of over 1 million is around 600 for this particular name. Both of those would be healthy growth rates of about 17 and 24% respectively. RPO or remaining performance obligations expected to grow at 31%, so that's a good number. Something to think about with this particular name, while 75% of the analysts do say to buy it, 20% in the hold camp, we got some info from Palantir that suggests this AI adoption is accelerating, especially amongst U.S. non-government entities, just traditional commercial business. That said, with the tariff uncertainty, there's still a feeling that some of the IT spend might be put on pause. So you have kind of counteracting forces on this one. Looking forward to what they say. On the call itself, look for things that they're talking about with their Cortex AI and their Snowpark products, as well as how that search for a new CFO may or may not be going. Normally this stock over time has moved around 11-12% around earnings. It certainly outperformed that 2 quarters ago when it jumped 32%, but last quarter it only moved 4.5%. 2 quarters in a row to the upside after 3 to the downside. So we'll see if it can build on its recent strength. About a 10% move is expected on this one, Nicole. Excited to see what Snowflake has to say.
In the world of AI, it's such a big story here, and the IT spending is huge. We need to know how much spend there will be, right?
Yeah, no doubt. And with this particular company, too, given its ties to ChatGPT and Claude, you want to see that number of customers spending over 1 million continue to swell. And that's expected, like I said, to grow around 24%. If they can beat on that front, that's also going to be a positive for this company as they continue to build out potentially bigger whale-like customers that can really boost their revenue going forward.
Yeah, understood. I mean, right now, it's on an upswing, that's for sure. Any final thoughts here?
Yeah, just expect volatility when you look at this one, Nicole. Like I said, a 10% move is sort of what's being priced in. It's moved on average in both directions around 12% in its history. So definitely one that the market anticipates will react quite violently depending on what the numbers are.
I understand. All right. Alex Coffey, thank you. Great to see you.